4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Happy Halloween from Intrigue Airsoft! That is the shittiest pumpkin carving ever. That sucked.
I thought you guys were going for like a scary face. Is everybody out of BBs? No. Austin, get that little bad boy over here, man. Get up on it. Is that out?
No, I'm out.
Is that a high cap?
Yeah. Tomatoes.
It's not. Yeah, like it sounded really good when I thought about it.
Oh, dude, there's a hole. There's a hole.
If you look, if you squint, it kind of says Intrigue.
Foreign language.
Have you thought about doing a zombie game for Halloween?
Yes.
Something like that?
You gonna eat some of that?
You can put that in your mag.